Imagine you've just signed up for a brand new investment app, excited to start building your financial future. But there's one hurdle standing in your way: ID verification. Ever wondered, how long does Stash take to verify ID? Well, let's dive into that and find out. Why is ID verification so important? It's a security measure to protect both you and the platform. Think of it like showing your driver's license before getting behind the wheel. It ensures you're who you say you are and helps prevent fraud. 1. The verification process. Initial upload. Once you sign up for Stash, you'll be prompted to upload a photo of your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Document review. Stash's system will analyze this document, checking for authenticity and matching it with your provided information. 2. Factors affecting verification time. Document quality. A clear, well-lit photo of your ID will expedite the process. Avoid blurry or obscured images. Information accuracy. Ensure that the information on your ID matches the details you've entered during registration. System load. Sometimes, Stash's verification system might experience higher than usual traffic, leading to slight delays. 3. Typical verification timeframes. Instant verification. In many cases, Stash can verify your ID instantly. This means you'll be able to start investing right away. Manual review. If there are any discrepancies or issues with your document, it might require manual review by a Stash representative. This could take a few hours or even a day. 4. What to do if verification takes longer. Check your email. Stash might send you an email if there's a problem with your ID. Contact support. If you're still having issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Stash's customer support team. They can assist you in resolving any problems. 5. Tips for smooth verification. Prepare your ID. Have your ID ready before you start the sign-up process. Ensure good lighting. Make sure your ID is well lit when taking a photo. Double-check information. Verify that all the information on your ID matches your registration details. 6. Alternative verification methods. Video verification. In some cases, Stash might require you to complete a video verification process where you'll be asked to show your ID to a live agent. Additional documents. If your initial ID verification is unsuccessful, you might be asked to provide additional documents, such as a proof of address. 7. Security and privacy. Data protection. Stash is committed to protecting your personal information. Your ID data is securely stored and used only for verification purposes. So, there you have it. While ID verification is a necessary step in the investment process, it's usually a quick and straightforward procedure. By following the tips we've discussed, you can ensure a smooth and efficient verification experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.